to a party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over.
What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing my summer makeup routine, because you know I'm going to Texas soon, so I want to get my routine down pat before I go. And also, there's going to be a wig giveaway in this video. I'm not going to put the timestamp. I'm not even going to put the rules in the description box or anything. You're going to have to watch the video, because it's going to be placed somewhere within the video. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get started. I'm just going to stick with the NYX micro brow pencil in black, just because I already have it open, so might as well. All right. And my tails have finally grew back in, so I was able to shape up my brows. They're not fully grown back in, but they're grown enough to where, you know, there's a tail, because before there wasn't a tail. I'm very happy about that. So to conceal my brows, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade D500. Oh, I didn't prime my face. Oh, happens all the time. Okay, so for primer, I'm using this new one. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter primer. I'm gonna try her out because, you know, if she can really hold. I'm not really going anywhere now because like late at night, but I feel like this will really hit in Texas weather. We'll see.
Like hot sauce on my chick, I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tip. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like this.
Let's check it out. Yeah, okay. It says it's a foundation grip. Got him. It doesn't feel mattifying. When I use a primer, I use a mattifying primer because I'm an oily girl, but it doesn't feel. I'm nervous. I mean, there's nothing to be nervous about because I'm not going outside, but I feel like, you know what? I feel like my combo might be the the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, or the Becca Evermatte Poreless as my first one to really hold me together, and then this to go on top, because since it's like two different consistencies, I feel like they won't clash, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take the shade Tan and put that in my crease. Then I'm gonna go into the shade Brick with this Amazon fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease just to deepen it. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe M330 brush, not adding any product, and just use that to blend the two shades. Make sure everything is blown out, because that is the effect I'm going for today. I don't want a like straight cut crease. Next, I'm gonna take this Morphe M321 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade, I did Tan, then Brick. We'll do the shade Rich. I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner. While dragging it through the crease just to deepen it a little bit more. I'm going to take this Morphe M124 brush. I'm gonna go into the shade. I don't really want orange. I'm gonna go into the shade Bronzy. And I'm just going to drag that across the center of my lid. Now it's time to jump into the base. Okay, so we've already primed our face. I'm going to take my foundation. Actually, I want to try something different. I low-key want to put my concealer on first. I don't know. You know what? We're not going to try anything new today. We're going to just stick to the regimen, you know? So I'm going to take my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen. This shit right here is phenomenal. I love it so much. So much. It was the only good thing that came out of that fail of a drugstore routine I tried to do. I mean, first impressions I tried to do. Just gonna take a teeny bit. And then to blend it all out, I'm gonna be taking my Real Techniques Body Sponge. And then for concealer, I'm gonna be taking, nope, not this one. I'm gonna be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12.5. Finally got my shade and I decided to get the XL size because girl, the regular just wasn't cutting me, so.
In the range, so put the for the brand, so put your bitch for your man, so put the check for the game. I said the Cardi B.
I'm just going to, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 420. And then I'm also gonna take, I finally restocked, y'all, my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the regular kind. The matte is a cute girl, but she makes me matte. I don't need that right now. I need that when I'm in Texas weather. So yeah. I'm just gonna set my face with my usual concoction. Right, so we're gonna microwave for a little bit. And I'm going to contour my nose. Do I want to do like a full contour? Yeah, let's do it. Where is she? I'm literally just going to dot my brush. I like to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush because it's narrow enough for me, you know? And I have better control. So I take majority of the product up into the little depth of my eye, blend it into my eyeshadow and push it up into my brows. And I take whatever's left of my brush and drag it down. Okay, so next we are going to sweep it in powder, of course. I'm gonna take my NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa. If I can just get it open. Okay, there we go. And my dollar store kabuki brush.
I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tip. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 to 20. All these VVS and my sperm work me. Bitch so bad I pop the money for it.
Alright, next we are going to do blush and highlight. I think I'm gonna leave the under eye bare like I usually do. So for blush, we're going to the clean brushes because they're my fave. They're my faves, you know? And we're going for that summer look, so we want like the inner glow within, you know what I mean? So we're gonna start off with, what's it called? What do you call? Fuego Flush. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into the shade Losing Sleep from my ColourPop Innuendo palette. I just really like this palette. It just has all the shades that I need and I use, you know what I mean? Ooh, actually no. We're gonna go into the shade Morning After. It goes more with the theme of the bronze. Okay, so the lashes are on. I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling hot. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Ooh, let me move my mirror back. Okay, so next I'm gonna fill in my lips with Morphe's lipstick in the shade. It's a matte lipstick in the shade Boo. Just in the center. All right, so this is the final look. She's all summer ready. She's cute. I'm really feeling this look. I'm really feeling her. I'm really feeling her. Despite my nails not being done. But we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're not gonna talk about that. They're gonna be done before I go to Texas, I think. I don't know. Depends on my mood. So yeah, so this is the final look. Really hope you guys are paying attention throughout this entire video because I didn't verbalize how you can win and what the giveaway rules were, but they are on the screen throughout this entire video, so you're gonna have to watch, you know, get that watch time up or whatever. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Also, the rules, no, not the rules for the giveaway, but the details to what you can win and when the giveaway closes and who it's open to, of course, will be listed in the description box. You know, I'm not that crazy. I'm not that crazy. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.